Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about data types in structured query language. So the data types are used to represent the type of data that can be stored in a database table. And the data types can be classified into three broad categories, and they are string data type, numeric data type, and the date and time data type. So first we're going to talk about the string data type. The mainly used string data types are, so first you have the character data type. It is used to specify fixed length string that can contain number, letter and special character. Next you have the varchar data type. It is used to specify variable length string data type that can contain numbers, letters and special characters. And next you have the binary data type. It is used to store binary byte string. And next you have the text data type. It holds the string that contain fixed number of character. So next we are going to talk about the numeric data types. The mostly used numeric data types are, so first you have the integer data type. It is used for integer value. And next you have the float data type. It is used for floating point numbers. And the size parameter specifies the total number of digits, and the D specifies the number of digits after the decimal point. And next you have the double data type. It is used for double precision values, and the size specifies the total number of digits, and D specifies the number of digits after the decimal point. And next you have the boolean data type. It is used to specify boolean values which either can be true or it can be false. And next we are going to talk about the date and time data type. So mostly used date and time data types are, first you have the date. It is used to specify the date in the format year, month and day. And next you have the DateTime data type. It is used to specify date and time in combination, and the format is, first you have the year, month and day, and then we have the hour, minute and second. And next you have the time data type. It is used to specify the time in the format hour, minute and second. And next you have the year data type. It is used to specify year in 4-digit format. So these are all the available data types in structured query language. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.